The seasons are changing, and it's time for you to check the batteries in your smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors, and your thermostat. Here's a quick how-to video. At Ad Astra Realty, we have switched over to smoke alarms with a non-replaceable 10-year battery in about 65% of our units. There are always 9-volt batteries in both kinds of alarms. The wired ones, there is always a battery for backup in case your power goes out. Never remove a smoke detector because it's chirping. Always check for the battery and make sure you replace it for your own safety. It doesn't matter what kind of 9-volt battery you use as long as it's a 9-volt. Carbon monoxide detectors. In most of our units, your carbon monoxide detector will plug into the wall and look like this. These generally will take AA batteries. There is a button on the detector that you can push and hold down for 3 seconds. If the light flashes green, you are good to go. Carbon monoxide is a poisonous, flammable gas that is colorless, odorless, and tasteless. Always make sure that your carbon monoxide detector is in good working order. Thermostats. Is your heating or cooling not kicking on? Don't panic yet. Check the batteries in your thermostat. Most of them take AA batteries or AAA batteries. Just pull the face off the wall and check. The larger one I showed you takes AA's, and the smaller one here takes AAA. And there you have it. At every change of the season, you should check the batteries in all of these devices. It could save you a lot of trouble, or it could even save a life. Thanks for watching.